Good day, Miss Maya, Maya's Hope, and to all committee and sponsor. I am Grace Reyes and this is my daughter, Jania Reyes. Jania was born with congenital hydrocephalus. We are requesting for her basic needs. Last July, Jania got seriously ill. A type of virus called Haemophilus influenzae meningitis or brain bacteria which was treated with a very expensive antibiotics and anti-seizure vials, which caused me to have a lot of debts. After this, in November, she had a severe seizure and I sent her back to the hospital and caused a huge amount of hospital bill. I told the doctor that I cannot longer pay the upcoming procedures and hospital bill. So if possible, we should be transferred to a government hospital where we are admitted for 3 months until we are able to go home. Jania is bedridden now and far from being able to walk and talk. Her brain is badly damaged, so it is sad to see her that she can't even sit up and eat like she used to. But still lucky and blessed, I am still with her despite the situation. I hope you can help me with Jania's basic needs. Thank you all the committee and sponsor of Maya's Hope. God bless all. Hello, Ma'am Maya.